Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA T21, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this tablet. Now, to get started, all you really need to do is pull down your toggles. So just do a swipe down from the top of the screen. Swipe down once more to extend the list of toggles, and in here you'll find screen recording toggle. Once you see it, simply tap on it. If you tap on an arrow, it brings up this little overview, I believe. And from here we can select what kind of audio we'll be recording. So by default, it's turned off. You can turn it on, which will then record device audio, so only the sound that the tablet would be making. Or you can also change it to microphone or both. And below that we have show touches on the screen, which will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. I'll turn it on just so you can see how that looks like. From there we can select start. It begins a countdown, and from there would start recording with a nice little sound to indicate that it's recording. So whatever you will do right now obviously will be recorded. You can open up apps, record them, and once you're done, pull down your notifications again and select stop. Now, one thing to keep in mind is when you're recording your screen, there are some apps that will block the screen recorder from being able to record. And just to name a few of these apps, apps like bank accounts or bank apps will block them, meaning the screen recorder. And also I know for a fact that Netflix blocks it. So if you try to record either one of them, you will technically have a recording, but it will consist of a black screen. It will still have sound, so if you try to, for instance, record Netflix, you will get the sound, but you are not going to get the image. Now, with that being said, we can find our recording in our Photos application. So let's go to Google folder, Photos, and you can see it right up here. What in the wildest hell is this? Whatever, I don't want to know. Anyway, from here, it should be already playing. Yep, there we go. You can see that's my finger that was pressing the display. And that's about it. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.